Alright, hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial on my channel. Today I'll be showing you and introducing lists. Lists are values that hold lots of data. So, if I wanted to create a list about food, cars, or names, I can store that all in one variable and print the variable and use it as a list. So to get started, I'm going to first show you what a list is and how to make it, and then I'll explain a little bit more about it. I think this might be my last Python tutorial. I started taking up C++ programming. I'm starting to like it a lot, so I might be doing some tutorials on that. So if you guys would like to watch that, just tune into my channel, like and subscribe for new releases of the video coming out. I'm also going to be creating a fan-based website, a blog, or a forum. So if you have any questions or information that might be helpful, you can just post there, create an account, and I also will be doing some live streaming videos soon. But for right now, we're just going to talk about lists. So lists. Alright, so let's say we wanted to do names. Right? Oops. Alright, sorry about that. So names. And then we're going to go and give this name a value. So right now this is just a blank. Let me add the equal signs. So right now this is just a blank list. Now we're going to add information to this list, so that way you can re-add information whenever you want, instead of just writing this and having it be something. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the value for it. So names equal, and make sure you use these closed brackets again. Do Mark, Abby, Tommy. Now you don't have to put spaces here, but I like doing it just for the convenience. Oh, not there. There we go. And now make sure you add quotation marks. It's going to be very helpful. So that way it knows what to print. And then you just want to go to print names. And now if you did everything correctly, make sure everything's correct, you just want to go ahead and run this. It says names is not defined. Okay, let me go ahead and fix that. Forgot capital letters matter. So if you ever have a capital letter and it's stored under a value like this right here, like see how it shows you, make sure it's capital, or it will run it as something else and it'll say that it's not defined or there's no exiting program to it. You just want to go ahead and run that, and this is what you should get on the bottom, is the list. Now, if you wanted to make the list and print out a certain one, like a certain name out of it, all of it, you'd add these again, and now when counting the output of a variable, it goes in increments 0 as a starting point. So this would be 0, this would be 1, this would be 2, so on. So say I want to print Abby's name, so I just go 1. And then you can go ahead and run that. Oh, wait. Might want to add that. See, now it adds a 1 to it. But now if I want to add a string, a title string, add title. Oops. Don't know why I added that. There we go. Go ahead and run it. Oh, that's not letting me do it. Let's go back to names. Alright. So now, say you want to add more to the names value. So you want to go names equal to, let's say, John, Tom, and Abe. And you want to print another list. You want to go print names again. Make sure it's capital. You want to go ahead and run that. Oops, it got deleted. Go ahead and run it. There, now you have two lists with the same variable name. Now, you can add titles to these lists by making them different. So say you wanted to specify friends. You could just easily go up here, quotation marks, they've been friends, and name, and then say these are family members. So family, oh, make sure you have the quotation marks. Alright, run that. And now the lists have been defined as what you want them to be. And if you don't know how to make a new line, so say after this you want to make a whole separate line, you just do \n, which will create a oh, I did that wrong. And it basically just means next line, so don't know why it's not working. I'll just leave it alone for now. But yeah, so that's pretty much the basics of a list. This was a live video, like I just recorded and just decided to upload it. There's no editing, no nothing. So yeah, that's the list. Hope you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be creating the C++ program tour. I just got a book today and I'm learning about it. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and leave comments. Thank you.